Hi everyone, thank you so much for waiting. And finally, we are here for our first ever American English pronunciation video lesson, whatever. Okay, so before I start, I have a few announcements to make. So if you guys don't have patience with me, you can just skip it and go directly to the lesson. So first one is the schedule. My target is to upload at least one video a week. So that's going to be every Sunday afternoon. So yes, let's try. Let's try to be consistent. Yeah, let's do it every Sunday afternoon, okay? And then you cannot comment anymore on my future, including this one, on my post on Facebook. So you can just leave your comments on my YouTube channel, or you can go to my Facebook page. And talking about the Facebook page, I mean YouTube, those of you guys who cannot access or do not have access to YouTube, then you can still watch the videos on my Facebook page. So yeah, go and follow it. Wherever it goes, you can follow the page. Just kidding. And please support support a YouTuber. He's a Filipino, and the name of his channel is Talented Pinoy OFW. He's talented. If you're interested in him, I mean, in his content, then go check him out. Check his channel out. In, out. Okay, and last one. I'm doing this. This one is a little bit serious. I'm doing this not only for myself, but also for you guys. So, for myself, because I've been feeling like I cannot express myself anymore. I mean, it's difficult for me to, sorry, put all the words together to make a sentence. I don't know what's happening. Maybe it's because of COVID-19. Not sure. And for you, because those who cannot afford a teacher to learn English, yeah, this is for you. Because whether you like it or not, English language is here to stay. It's a universal language, and with the advancement of technology, this Facebook, this internet, and also, yeah, because of this COVID, it's not technology, but yeah, you just communicate virtually most of the time. So you don't expect someone to speak in Latin or in Greek. When you meet a stranger online, you don't expect them to speak those languages, right? You expect them to communicate with you in English. So English, not English. What? English. Yeah, that's why. Okay, thank you so much for being patient with me. So yes, let's go to the lesson. This is it. So in American English alphabet, we have five vowel letters, right? But when you talk about the sounds, there are more than 10. There are more than 10 vowel sounds, and that excludes the diphthongs and R-colored vowels. Diphthongs and R-colored vowels, we're not going to talk about them because they're still complicated to understand for others. So let's focus on the easy one first, as I told you before. So in this lesson or in the future lessons, this will teach you how to pronounce words correctly using a dictionary. So that means that you don't need a teacher to teach you how to pronounce words well. How cool is that? Just go and search the word in dictionary, and all you need to do is look at these symbols. Now, what are these symbols? These symbols are what we call the IPA symbols. IPA stands for International Phonetic Alphabet. So these symbols are representations of speech sounds in a written form. Uh, for dictionaries, I don't recommend Merriam-Webster Dictionary for the symbols because it's based on the Latin alphabet. So just use other dictionaries like Cambridge, Oxford Learners Dictionary, and Macmillan Dictionary. I really like Macmillan Dictionary. I personally prefer Macmillan Dictionary. And yeah, that's it. So today's lesson is all about the short vowel sound. American A. American A is very common. I mean, very unique and very common. Also common. It applies also. So American A is very common. What the fuck is wrong with me? American A is very unique to American English. So that's why a lot of non native English speakers have difficulty pronouncing or making the sound of American A. So, how do we pronounce the sound? American A. Yeah, I said A, but it's not A. Actually, it's A. So, to make the sound, open your mouth widely. Again, first, open your mouth widely. Of course, you cannot pronounce the sound if you don't open your mouth. Come on. Widely. If you have a big mouth, it's gonna be wider. Open your mouth widely. This teacher is not serious. And then slightly spread your lips. Slightly spread your lips. Open your mouth and spread your lips. And tense them. Tense meaning make the muscles of your lips or around your mouth stiff. It's like this. Now let's focus on the tongue. Your tongue should be very low in your mouth and you flatten it and push it forward. So in making the sound, it's like this. Ah. Ah. One more. Let's say it slowly. Ah. Again. Ah. Once more. Ah. 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 So when you practice, it's okay to say ah, like you kind of exaggerate it. But when you say a word with this sound, don't please, don't do it too much, okay? Don't say ah. Make it natural. Ah. Once more. Ah. Again. Ah. One more time. Ah. Cool. Very good. For the spelling pattern, usually you can find this sound in words with uh letter A, but not all words with letter A have the A sound, okay? So let's say these words, they also have letter A, but they don't sound the same, right? So, but now let's just focus on here. A, bad. Can you repeat with me? A, a, bad. Once more. A, bad. Again. A, bad. Next word. A, bag. A, bag. A, bag. Cool. A, tag. A, tag. One more time. A, tag. Last one. This is longer. Oops. A, family. A, fa, family. Once more. A, family. So not family, but family. But there is a difference between British English, okay? British English pronunciation has an equivalent sound to this sound. So yeah, if you want to learn British, sorry, I cannot teach you. I only teach American English pronunciation. Once more, please, let's say the word fair, family, fair, air, fair, family. Yes, good job, you guys. So this is just a warm up now. Let's go to more practice. air, 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 mask, 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 wear a mask, wear a mask, wear a mask, wear a mask. Pastor, wear a mask. Cool. Air, air, air. Dance, dance, dance. They will dance at the party. Repeat. They will dance at the party. Go. They will dance at the party. They will dance at the party. They will dance at the party. Yes, that's how you do it. Okay, third word. Air, air, air. Apple, apple, apple. Apple juice is her favorite. Apple juice is her favorite. One more. Apple juice is her favorite. Apple juice is her favorite. Faster. Apple juice is her favorite. Yes. Great. Next word. Air, air, air. Laugh, laugh, laugh. Very good. Don't laugh at me. 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 Very good. Next one. Air, air, air. Animal, air, animal, animal, animal. Good. Bruce is an animal lover. 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 Yes. Next one. Air, air, air. Pattern, pattern, pattern. Yes. It is a basic pattern. 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 Yes. Good job. Next one. Air. 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 Understand. 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 I understand its meaning. I understand its meaning. I understand its meaning. Say it faster. I understand its meaning. I understand its meaning. Great. Next. Air. 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 Language. 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 She loves his 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 language. Very good. Air. 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 Hand. 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 Wash your hands. 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 Last one. Air. 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 Answer. 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 Please answer my question. Right. Please answer my question. Please answer my question. Please answer my question. Please answer my question.